Inospace needed a smart leasing platform, largely because we'd grown quite a large portfolio of assets, and so we needed to lease faster. We also needed to get more accurate data, what was going on in the market. It just created a far more transparent environment where everybody knew what was going on, and that was just a huge advantage against our competitors. We now know that in the background we've got this machine working 24 hours a day, working, chugging out leases, chugging out demand, and bringing us new tenants all the time. The data means we can do data-led acquisitions, we can do automatic matching of clients' needs to vacant spaces, and we've taken out all the paperwork. We had up-to-date information, our data was live, and the speed from lead to lease improved dramatically.
I can see live how many leases are signed for the day, how many leads are being processed, and how quickly my team is processing those leads. What Lisa has done is it's taken that retention strategy one step further and automatically emails the client and says, your lease is coming up. And the best part of it is that you can hand it over to a colleague or to another park manager by simply dragging it across.
We are able to do from viewing to leasing within 24 hours and seamlessly with not having any issues post that. If you are unable to deal with an inquiry that you're working on, your colleague or your peer, they can literally carry on with that and literally follow through and finish that deal.
So I think certainly on a culture point of view, leases really made people a lot more productive. It certainly helped break down the silos between the different departments and divisions with the streamlined efficiencies. Taking away the paperwork and the admin functions have allowed the team to work together to collaborate a lot more and more strategic thinking.
We used to have a lot of social media campaigns. We had to download those leads and then allocate the leads on Excel and make sure someone in the team contact the client. Now with Lisa, it's automated. We're receiving a lot more leads, but we're able to answer the leads and process the leads and contact the client almost immediately.
It brought this coordination. At the click of a button, we can push a whole online lead gen campaign live. Having our finger on the pulse real time has given us a huge advantage in the way that we market ourselves and in the way that we close deals and interact with our clients. What Lisa enabled us to do was to actually take those tenants, our clients, and create a community, create a network. And that became so powerful. In order for technology to be successful, it has to enable a business and enhance a business. And I think that's the power of Lisa.